Yes, there you go, our little queen, Bona. Ayan. For the first time, nag-join po siya ng Chinese parade. Ayan, so, ayan. Nakasama po natin dyan, of course, yung mga, ayan, si Ma'am Bill Watson. Mga importanteng mga tao. Ayan, si Attorney Mauricio Domogan, together with the Pieces. Ayan, ang ating one and only director. Ayan, Christopher Tabili and the beautiful Mom She's. And of course, with Tasha and Sam, ayan, Little Cultural Heritage and Miss Little Tourism. At ang Little Miss Panagbangat 2024. Ayan. And of course, in Biscay Production, Ma'am Belle Watson. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And after that wine, nag-request pang ating Little Queen. Ayan, so gusto nga po nilang kumain. So we have food trip together. Ayan, ayun, andyan yung ice cream. Andyan yung siomai. Okay, and of course, yung Korean foods. Ayan, kumain din kami. At yung gusto niya, nakikita niya sa TikTok, ano yung grapes na dinip nila sa syrup. Ayan po. Ayan yung Korean. Ayan, o diba? So, that's it. After that wine, ayan, dahil may blessing po siyang natanggap from her tita, dyan po niya binili po niya. Ngayon lang po niya pinalit yung dollar niya. So, pinagbigyan na natin siya since na she deserve naman po. And pera naman po niya yan. So, that's for today. Ayan, si enjoy it kahit na pagod siya. Ayan. So, thank you for watching. God bless and shalom po.